Okay, now I'm on my unicycle in the pouring rain. I'm underneath cover right now, but there I go, heading back down into the pouring rain. Let's see if I'm going to go this way. I can cut through to the park, which I should be able to do right here. For a place to get through the fence. Shit, I think I'm better off just going straight down. Stay in the dirt. Then when I get to the end, I really gotta deal with that's the main issue here. You know what? I'll get out right here. I'll get out right here. There's big puddles everywhere. I'll just stay in the middle and try to avoid them. I mean, I don't mind the rain, and I don't mind getting wet, and I don't mind the little puddles, but the big puddles are the problem. You don't want to go through any big puddles. So, of course, after I do this, I'm going to have to do a open the box check to make sure no major issues inside. I don't know if you've ever seen some videos where people open up their wheel and it is loaded inside. Now here it's different. Here the high part is on the outside of the, that's kind of weird. You think it would slope the other way. I'm just taking my time through these puddles. Now it's back to the middle being dry. Wow. Looks pretty good now. Doing pretty good. I hope the video comes out good because I'm getting soaked. Now this is, I'm not going for a speed record now, but I'm doing like 30, 35 at the high point. And then I'm going to drop down to 20 on average, but you know, the object of the game, oh, somebody's getting food stated. Let's see. Object of the game is not to get hit by a car right now. I love riding in the rain. I've driven motorcycles for years and I got used to riding in the rain, heavy downpours, wind. Well, you know, when you're driving an electric vehicle, there's a whole new formula you have to worry about. You know, the rain, seepage, maintenance. So you got to make sure the littlest water gets in the wrong place, you could be in trouble. But if you do diligence and check it out and do everything you can to make your vehicle water resistant. I'm trying to make sure you get a view of the wheel. It's pouring pretty hard. I mean, it's on and off, drenching, torrential, but all in all, it's going pretty smooth. I'm very happy. And you know, I go through some big puddles, but that was good. Wind, rain, puddle. I love you, SeaWorld. Well, Guys, you should never drive in the rain, especially without gear, unless you know what you're doing. You gotta make sure you know your wheel, make sure you check it for water ingress, and make sure you drive safe. So take care of yourselves, everybody, and enjoy the weather. I love it.